My name is Patrick Jamison, and in this video we're going to install the assembled mainframe in our masonry opening. I'm also going to hang the panels and install the sill riser adapter. After dry fitting your mainframe, apply a bead of sealant around the inside perimeter of your opening. Now I'm going to set the mainframe into the opening. Now I'm ready to anchor the frame to the block. First, I'm going to drill the block through the pre-punched holes of the mainframe. I'm going to use my fasteners to anchor the frame to the block. Remember to use shims to fully support the frame and keep the frame true, plumb, level, and square. For best practices, when anchoring your track down, drill the concrete through the pre-punched holes of the track and get all that concrete dust out. Fill the cavity with sealant. You can even run your fastener through the tube of sealant and anchor your track down. Once you have completely anchored your frame into the block, top off every head with sealant. Now the frame is anchored in, it's level, true, square, and plumb. We can now top off the heads of the fasteners with sealant, and we'll do that with all fasteners. I'm now ready to install the sill riser adapter. First, apply sealant up the jamb leg and across the entire leg of your track. You can now use your mallet and a block to snap your sill riser onto your track. I've now snapped down the sill riser adapter. For best practices, run a bead of sealant up the jamb leg along the sill riser adapter. I'm now ready to unpackage panel 1. When I received the sliding glass door panels, the rollers were at the top. I'm going to have to rotate the panel so the rollers are on the bottom. When inserting your panel, insert the top of the panel into the header first, and then swing your bottom and lay it on top of the track. Once your panel's on top of the track, you need to remove the weight off the panel, use your Phillips screwdriver, and on the side of the panel, you can now lower your roller, which will raise the panel. Follow the same process when adjusting the other roller. Remember, never use an impact gun to adjust the rollers. I'm now ready to unpackage panel 2. I'm now going to follow the same process by rotating the panel and get it ready for the mainframe. I'm now going to follow the same process installing this panel as I did the other panel. Insert the head first and then swing the bottom onto the track. I'm going to follow the same process adjusting the rollers, taking the weight off the panel and using my Phillips screwdriver to lower the roller in order to raise the panel. The assembled mainframe has now been installed into the masonry opening. We can now apply a bead of perimeter sealant to the exterior side of the mainframe. To recap, I've now installed the assembled mainframe and set the panels. In the next video, I'm going to install the handles, add the bumpers, and make all necessary adjustments.